Welcome back to Mama's Meal Mastery. Today, we're turning a veggie into a pizza lover's dream, cheesy eggplant pizza. Start by slicing one large globe eggplant into 1.5 inch, 1 centimeter pieces. Sprinkle with salt and let them sweat for 20 minutes, then wipe them off. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush each eggplant slice with olive oil and bake for 25 minutes. While they bake, let's make the pizza sauce. In a medium bowl, mix 1 jar of marinara sauce, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of fresh basil, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Stir until everything is well combined. Once the eggplant slices are done, spoon about 2 tablespoons of sauce onto each one. Now, sprinkle 2 cups of mozzarella and 1 cup of cheddar cheese on top. Pop the slices back into the oven for 1-2 minutes, just until the cheese melts. Let them cool slightly, and you're ready to enjoy a cheesy, veggie-packed pizza alternative. Comment "Yum" or for the recipe. And don't forget to hit that like button and follow us for more easy and delicious recipes.